I'm sorry to hear about the passing of Jennell Jaquays. The gaming community has lost a true innovator, and her legacy will undoubtedly endure through the worlds she brought to life. Jennell Jaquays, the esteemed American game designer, known for her enchanting contributions to tabletop RPGs and video game design, has sadly passed away. Her imaginative touch graced TSR's Dragon Mountain adventure and resonated in iconic projects like the Age of Empires series, Quake II, and Quake III Arena. Jennell's struggle with Guillain-Barré syndrome, a severe neurological condition, reached its conclusion with her succumbing to cardiac arrest. This uncommon ailment left her bedridden and significantly debilitated, depriving her of most bodily functions. The cardiac arrest marked the somber end to her prolonged battle with this challenging illness. The gaming community mourns the loss of a trailblazer. Industry peers, including Mike Selinker and Charles Urbach, have shared heartfelt tributes on social media, underlining the profound impact she had on their lives and the gaming industry. Jennell Jaquays leaves behind a lasting legacy, an enduring testament to her creative brilliance and unwavering dedication. Her influence, felt in both tabletop RPGs and video game design, has shaped the industry and inspired countless individuals. As we remember her achievements, Jennell's impact continues to echo in the fantastical realms she brought to life. Please send prayers and condolences to his family in the comments box below. For more information, please subscribe to our channel.